The rapid spread of smartphone technology. India at one time could manufacture only 20% of its cell phone requirements. Today, not only does she manufacture 100% of her cell phone requirements, but cell phone exports have become the number one export from our country, crossing almost $30 billion per annum. At the same time, across the board, when you look at this capability, where India has almost one third of global data consumption, the average user today consumes close to about 32 gigs of data per month, probably the highest in the world. Affordable handsets become a very powerful equalizer. And through our productivity linked incentive scheme, our PLI scheme, close to about 100,000 crores worth of extra manufacturing, 25,000 crores of exports, creating almost 30,000 jobs. We are looking at a new environment where a $1 trillion digital economy outlook today is an opportunity for India tomorrow with close to 200,000 startups.